Hey guys, this is how to update your Instagram app or get the updated feature in your Instagram. So let's get into it. There are the two ways to get the updated version of your Instagram. For the first method, you just need to open up your Play Store and then simply search here for your Instagram. So you can see here the update option is available in my case. So what you need to do, simply click on the update and wait for updating your Instagram app. Right after that, you will be able to use the updated or the new versions that are added recently in your Instagram, and you will be able to use them, and the new features of the Instagram will be available for you. Moving to our second method to update the Instagram app. If the update option is not available in your Play Store for your Instagram, what you need to do, simply uninstall your Instagram from your Android or iPhone and then open up your Play Store and then reinstall it. So basically the reinstallation process make you able to get the updated version of Instagram. And that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.